Madison Park introduces our Serene bath towel set. Relax in style with our elegant 6-piece towel set. We use 100% cotton terry, a woven fabric with long loops, which allows our towels to be incredibly soft and absorbent, yet lightweight enough to dry quickly. Each towel features a Jacquard beige leaf motif ground and a floral embroidered hem in soft, elegant hues, creating a beautiful and sophisticated look. Make a fashion statement and choose your favorite color option. Coordinate with our matching products for the perfect transitional update. Achieving the Ecotech certification, this bath towel is free from harmful chemicals and substances, ensuring quality, comfort, and wellness. Madison Park's Serene bath towel set is the perfect addition to your traditional style bathroom decor.